Hello everyone. I'm checking, but okay, seems we are online. Everything seems to work. Perfect. Hello everyone. We are here again with the Su-25. Hoping to finish it today. We have someone new here. Is he? Are you Chinese? Can't understand, but so today special live, because if we are lucky, usually we are not, but if we are lucky, we can see together the SpaceX test. Now I'm checking every few minutes what they are doing. In this moment they are loading the propellant. It's really awesome, and I don't know if everything goes well. We will be able to watch it together. Can't say for sure, but let's hope. Hello Egorov. Something Russian, I see. And what else? Yesterday we were building the tail, and we stopped with the tail and the nose. For the nose we had some problems, actually also for the tail, and I hope today we can try to fix them. Now, what about the front section? I would like to achieve the overall shape here and the back, so we can start, putting everything together as usual. I was thinking to make this a section, and then we try to find out what to place inside as windscreen. The one guy who disliked these streams puts pineapple on his pizza. I can't see, I have to change screen to check it, but okay. I put pineapple on my pizza. How can I ban Cody? Ban Cody, yes, hide. Cody, come on. You. I'm not mad with you. I'm just disappointed. I'm just disappointed. Okay, for now seems to go nice and well. If we can watch it together, I switch to the live stream, so be prepared. Yesterday we fixed the engine at the last moment. Probably Egorov was already sleeping in that moment. But yes, we fixed that. We started making the tail that will have this shape, more or less. And okay, the front. We have to make the front, otherwise I can't properly understand what to do next. So, I think we can start making this shape. So just for now we can ignore the cockpit, the windows, and we can just make this shape. I would like to do it with the same system adopted also for the J-20, F-35, well, all the other aircraft we built until now. And how? Well, usually I use this system, Technic bricks. No, sorry, brick modified. Don't know why I say the Technic. Something like this, for example. And wedge plates. So let's see, we have this shape pretty near, this one and this one. We have 3 lines with a total. Yesterday we said it was 8, if I remember well. It was 8. So the whole cockpit will be 8. Now, just to have some reference, let's say this is the length. We don't care for the height for now, but just to have an idea, I think we may start this way. That is of course the beginning, and actually should go one here behind. Perfect. Then we have this other line and the last one. Now the idea is something like this, but I don't know if is good. No, I think that is too much. The problem is not the shape, but the height. As you may notice, is a bit too much. Here is much less. So what we can do is, or two solutions. Or we use the 12-1, this, but as you may notice is no good. Or as usual I want a reference. Okay, this one also. Okay, you are my reference for now. Or, as you may notice here, well, actually, I would like to know this distance. That should be already calculated here. We calculated already. Don't remember. I know it was yesterday, but maybe I'm old. 0.8, 0.8, 0.8 is 3. Okay, 3 should be, yes, we already calculated more or less. So maybe the best idea is doing something like this. So let's check first where we start. This is the maximum height. No, it's too much. So let's go lower. Still no. Plate. Let's see. Is this the way? This is the way. Okay, we start from here. Then we go with the inclination of 4, and then we go straight of 3. This is more or less the shape. Now we have to calculate the position, so where it does start. Calculate from, I don't know, we can start with the wings. Yes, we can use the wings as a reference. Almost 2 meters. Almost 2 meters is a 7 point something. So starting from here, 2, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 5. 5 is here. 6 and 7. So everything needs to go one earlier. Perfect. Now we can remove these. They were needed only for the measurements. And now we can start thinking how to connect the things properly. Don't forget about the gun in the nose on the right side, left side. Yes, should be the left side. No, right side. No, left side. Okay, perfect. Actually, also here is a little bit visible. Yes, left side will not be a problem. The bigger problem will be the landing gear later, but for now we don't care. For now we just care about the overall shape, and then we will end using the last features. Brick modified. Okay, here We have to find a way to connect this properly later. Now the cockpit will do this. This is the dimension of the cockpit. We'll start here and finish here. For now remove this one, it's not needed. The cockpit will finish here. Where is it? Here. But we still have this thing to fix. And actually I don't need this anymore. We have the overall dimensions already. Now it's time to fix everything together. From the top, as you may notice, the whole aircraft is more or less 4 as wide until let's see. Well, actually until here, only here, but neither, a little bit more. So let's say that until here is 4, and then only the last section. Let's do something this way for now. Of course, we will fix it. Only this section will be a little bit more curved. I think I'll buy the J20. It's quite cheap. You mean the instruction or the pieces? The instruction is the same price of the other, so maybe I think you are speaking about the parts. Okay, so let's see. I can't work this way, I don't know why, I don't like it. Let's think, maybe we can actually use this one and make it fatter. What do you think? Let's try. We have to achieve the nose shape so we can continue with the everything else. I'm thinking to use slope and wedges to do it. Slope and wedge. So the idea is doing something like this. I have just to find out the proper way. You know, something like this, but no. Let's think. The nose actually is quite flat on the side, maybe something even bigger, like this. Can you please connect properly? Okay, here. Maybe also something this way. It's not connected properly. I know you don't like this, but I'm still checking, so please try to work. I have only to check the overall shape, and then we find how connecting together the things. For now is a no. The main problem, this up until here and here needs to be flat. Only the nose, so only the front section needs to move. So if we want to do it only here, we need the maximum is 8. We have 6. That is this one. That also may be interesting. Put lower. Something like this also can be an idea. Something like this. I already know how to do this one. Let's see. Copy in the mirror, please. Probably we can even change completely this one. Now I'm just trying. but we can still change it if needed. I'm just checking possibilities. This idea is the one I prefer for now, but still not completely sure. Copy and mirror. Something this way. Hello! Hello Brick Zone. Hello After Effects Brick Production. EA Sport Brick Production. I don't know, the AE for what it stands. All jokes aside, how are you, Dart? I'm tired but excited because if there is the launch, I love space launches, so if we have the launch, I'll be very happy today. Someone can make a Battlefield stop motion video with this. Battlefield stop motion video. Well, in the past someone used my Black Hawk for a stop motion. No, the Yui. Don't remember the name. It was many years ago, so why not? The problem is Rebrickball accept only PayPal when I can pay only from Kiwi. Huh. Interesting. And you can't use PayPal? It's not supported in your country. So. The gun is here, so as you said, we have to remember about the gun. The gun will go in this position, right. So, just because I don't want to forget about the gun, you know what, let's start placing it. Let's place it, for example, here for now. And later we can try to see how connect it properly. This something like this. Plate. I just need an angle. Plate. Yes, this one here. The corner is okay. Actually, even this one is okay. Just because I don't want to forget the position of the gun on this side. So let's use a modified brick. Modified brick. Actually probably will go this way. Still not sure. For the gun, let's make it just one cylinder. No, can't find the cylinder this way. Let's go the old way. You know. You. Yes, you. Then I'm already designing the gun, this one, because we said is a Gatling gun. This one, well, actually I don't know. I like this one as a Gatling gun, but we may choose also something you will choose later, but also something this way. Let's do this, and I need other few parts. This one. So this is the version 1 gun. It's too much out, but don't worry, it's just to remember, just for reference. Actually, you know what, remove this one. just to remember the position. Unfortunately, I don't have a photo about the other side, that is the one we need, but more or less we can say is here, so should go in this position, more or less, and a little bit closer to the inside. Let's see if we can do something this way. Okay, more or less this will be the position of our gun, and there are two possible I have two possible ideas. One is the one present here, gear. For the other, no, not gear, dish. Neither. Technique. Come on. Ah, okay, technique disc, not simply disc. Okay, the other one could be something this way. But I don't know, so not this, but this. Which one you think looks better? Maybe not this one for the end, but this one is more, I don't know, more Gatling, more rotary style, something similar. Or again we have this one new. What color? No, we have only red, so no. This one this one is the same. No, don't like it. The last one, no, I don't know, these or the classic one I think are better, but more or less this will be the design of the gun. This section probably will disappear, covered by parts like this, so something like this will cover the gun, but let's see. For now I'm still trying to figure out how to make the design. Dart, what's Lego and me? Dart, what is your favorite model that you have made until now? It's difficult to choose only one, but one of my latest model, the Harley Burke class, I think, I don't know, I really loved the final result. The Harley Burke class I think is one of my best work, especially for the size. It's quite compact, even if it's 1 meter long, so it's not really small, but I don't know. It is a gun with 2 barrels. It's not a rotary gun. In this case I have probably no idea how to make it, because it takes more space. We cannot do it in this scale, so can you please open this stupid photo? Okay, 1 and 2 this way. In this case I have not so much space for it, so how we can place it inside? Can you open the stupid image directly, please. I just want to zoom. Zoom! Zoom! Open image in new tab. Why you can't simply zoom the image? Okay, if it's not a rotary gun, in this case I have no idea. To make it close, maybe we can use something like binocular. Come on. If we use something like this, can we fix inside the bar? Bar here. Okay, something like this. Because they are even closer. Otherwise, I have another idea, but I don't know the distance between them in this scale is difficult. Another possibility is lift arm. Hello Temporax! Welcome. Another possibility is using this system. The problem is the distance between the barrels, too big. Too big, while we want them to stay closer. So the only thing I have in mind is using the binocular as a system. Of course, this way, well, they are pretty horizontal. Okay, they are a little bit, there is a little bit of inclination, but we can't do miracles. If we use this system, how we connect it to the rest? With a bracket. If we use a bracket, can't connect this way, can connect this way. You can connect. I don't know this song, but it seems interesting. Something like this that will connect. Well, actually, also like this. That will connect somehow here. So let's say that we have another one, this position. This can connect somehow to 5. I have to find the... Okay, here I can clearly see the position better image, better reference. So according to the reference, you have to go this way, more or less. Well, let's say is in the middle, or here or here. No, I think it's more like here. Okay. The position is the same, so the position is more or less this one. Remove you for now. Let's check the front image. More or less the same, but we have to go lower. So remove this one. 1, 2. Okay, more or less should go here. So we have to remember to fix this one here. Do you plan on remastering some of your old creation like the Osprey or the Apache? Of course, yes. I did it with many of them, so also, well, the Apache not so much work, so it's easier. The Osprey probably will be completely different. Completely. The Osprey is very old, so probably I have to change 90% of the project. The Apache, just a few fix here and there. Why Americans are so stupid sometimes? I'm sorry for you guys, but I'm checking the Twitter for the SpaceX launch. A car was near the spaceships and they needed to stop the countdown. You have two big spaceships, you are not in the middle of a city, so you should know that there is a forbidden zone, but you go there anyway. What you have in mind? Okay, maybe in 20 minutes we may have the launch. Let's hope. If in 10-15 they start preparing, I switch to the live stream. No, you're right, it's pretty stupid over here. I'm sorry, but come on. Boca Chica is just like the desert. There is anything. There is just a little village, the sea, and the two huge spaceships. So why you are there? They gave the evacuation order 4 hours, 5 hours ago. Come on. You can say, no, sorry, I didn't see them. It was a mistake. They are 50 meters tall. Guys, sometimes the people are... humanity. This one is the 3 or the 4? Okay, 3 long. Okay, this is the shortest possible. Okay, so we have the gun here. What we have trying to do now is, for now, remove you. To achieve the shape, I need also this as a reference. Okay, so this is more or less the shape of the nose. As you may notice, we are not so far from the original, so I don't know, let's use this one. If you look at it from far, the shape is overall the one. We are not so wrong. Still thinking maybe the gun should be a little bit closer. No, I think the right solution is in the middle, but okay. So the overall shape is okay. Now I would like to continue with the bottom. You know, I would like to have the perimeter of the aircraft, and then we try to fix it everything together and achieve our final result. So for the bottom, actually the bottom is flat here. That makes the things easier for us. So here is flat. Here we need the space for the landing gears. So the landing gears will close inside here. The landing gear will be a mess, but okay. The landing gear design really will be a mess. This one, okay, is the front one, not a problem, because it closes backward. I guess this is the internal bay for the landing gear. I'm 90% sure. So backward we have all the space needed for the gun, no problem. So good, I like it. This section will probably make me mad, but it's normal. And here we have the tail that, let's see, is... Okay, here is fatter, where we have the engines. The engines are here. Okay, wait, upside down. The engines are here, so we start from a distance. We have two. Let's go higher. Okay, We go from a distance, this is 8, so the distance between them is 6 more or less. We have to go from 6 to 2, yes, because this one is 2. Now, looking here, here is a 6, while at the end here is 2. How we can do it? We can do it checking the bottom side. I think this section will be the one helpful for us. My idea is making, so from here we go with an angle straight up until the top, right. This is the tail, here we have the other tail, then we have this section. Okay, the idea is using the ship bottom part. The ship bottom part, we can find it in this slope inverted, maybe. No, I think wedge. Not you? Well, actually, maybe also something this way. The idea is you have to go lower, obviously. Okay. I'm thinking if we can do it without inclinating parts, but probably no. I think the tail system will be the same we usually do for helicopters, because looks like the helicopter back. So probably yes, we can use the same system. Same system adopted, for example, for the camo. See? This is the same system here, more or less. I think we'll do the trick. Even if here is much flatter, so maybe we don't need the side, but the central one inclinated, probably yes. Let's see, for the sides. Rotate. We have this distance with an inclination of, I think, 30 degrees. We can use... Is it you? Not sure. This is longer, but is the same inclination, right? No. The inclination is the same. Yes, the inclination is the same. I don't know if you can be useful for us. Let's try. But I don't think so. Let's say you go here, more or less. Unfortunately, having digital Lego is good because you have all the parts of the world. On the other side, it's a little bit more complicated moving them. But about the inclination, maybe we are not so wrong. Let's say this one will go here. I think it's more wrong this one. But with the tail here... The ideal thing would be something like this. That this would be the ideal. Unfortunately, we can't. because we have this in the middle. So yes, probably the best idea is using same system as the helicopter. Doggo. What's happening, Doggo? Where is the longest one? Is you. So again, place it here. Let's say it starts here. No, the inclination on this one is even too much. So the next possible solution is 4. The 4 one should be. Yes, you are the possible solution number 2. Let's see if you're okay. And then we have the possible number 3. That is this one. So let's try. Give me also this one. Possible number 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay. Then you. Oh no, it's still bugged. No, why? Why they don't update the program? We still have the bug with this part. In the meanwhile, even if at the end is better using the bigger, in the meanwhile we use the smaller variant of it. So let's check. This one will work. Go here, move closer, move lower, move closer. Let's see. The inclination is no bueno. Okay, so you are a no, don't touch my no spot. Let's try the other one. Are you the winner? Are you the winner? Are you the winner? It seems so. Yep, actually it's really perfect. Guys, look at here. The intersection with the inclination in the engine. As you may notice, the engine has still a little bit of space here. And it's exactly the same. A little bit of space here. It's perfect. Notification 10 minutes to the launch. Okay, I think we can start moving to the live stream. So in a few seconds I'll move to the SpaceX launch. If you don't like it, you don't want to watch it, I'm sorry. I like it, and I can't miss a SpaceX launch like this. It's too important. So now we move there. Okay, I'm glad we found the right inclination in the meanwhile. Now we have only to fix everything together. More or less we have the shape of the aircraft. Let's take a photo like this. I have to post it on Instagram and ask people who don't watch the live stream what is it. What do you like most? The F-22 or Su-27? 57. Depending. In Lego or in real life. In real life, regarding the look, maybe the Sukhoi. I like the Sukhois. 10 minutes to the Starship. Yes, Gal, I know. I just said a few seconds ago. Now I have to try find. I don't know if we can watch it together without problems in live stream. Probably. I'm not sure. I really hope so. If is not, so next time we will do the live stream only on the Purple social network. Let's check. I'm searching the best way to watch it together. Last time SpaceX started their live stream for the launch, but I don't see anything. So no, I don't see anything by them, because the Starship channel is better in this case, would be better. Vladan, sei mitico, thank you Vladan, grazie. Migliori modelli di sempre, oh, troppo gentile. Even if we are about stopping for a special event, a SpaceX launch. Well, not a launch, it's more a test. Maybe we'll explode, maybe not, who knows. And now I'm searching the best way to stream it. Okay, I can stream, I think, this way. Should work. Okay, I start moving the camera on the other. Let's see. Not this way. Give me a second, I'm preparing. Okay, I'm moving to the live stream. Let's see. For now, you can you can stay here, and we move it this way. You can watch. You can see it properly. Let's do maybe in a full screen. I don't know if it's better for the live stream in full screen or not, but let's see what happens. This will be a surprise event for me. In the meanwhile, I keep checking if we have the official SpaceX stream, you know, would be better. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry guys, I've noticed the official SpaceX live stream. Yep, we have it. Official SpaceX. Oh, minus T4. Wait a second, I have to remove the audio. Where is the music? Guys, this is the first time we are able to watch it together.
Kilometer test flight. We've just passed the T-minus 4-minute mark. We are currently loading liquid methane and liquid oxygen propellants onto Starship.
Okay, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
The flight will be similar to our previous flight last December.
Okay, I'll publish it also on Instagram, and you will be on Instagram as well. So say hi, everyone. I'm making a story with all of you, so you will be all in the live stream. So okay, everyone, say hello. We are all watching finally the SpaceX launch all together. So you guys, you are all on Instagram, say hi. ready.
Okay, everyone, say hello. We are all watching.
Okay, publishing on Instagram with all of you. And we are very close, 3 minutes. What is it? We are sending notification because I have 10,000 kind of notifications.
T-minus 2 minutes, continuing to count down on the flight of Starship
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Right at your screen, currently venting.
Everybody stay calm. I can't stay calm. Oh my god.
Is also being checked out for a similar flight.
Hello Instagram. Check Instagram later. Later I'll read everything. Don't worry. Later I'll check everything. Now it's I will go offline with my mind for the time being. I love when they load the oxygen, liquid oxygen. You see all the white smoke there is actually simply oxygen in a liquid form. So to being liquid, usually the oxygen is gas. You have to put it in a very low temperature. This is why you can see this white cloud. The very cool thing is having two starships simultaneously, one next to the other. The other one is the SN10, so even if this one explodes, like the previous sister, we have another SN10 ready to go.
Quick disconnect from the flight vehicle.
It's beautiful. We will see. It's incredible that we will watch a SpaceX Starship departing next to the another one. First time. Until now the tests were made with just one. You know that on the space shuttle they once stopped the launch at T1 second? Yes, of course I know. Actually last time they stopped it also at 15 minutes and then started again after an hour. It happens. If something goes wrong, see? 13 seconds. No, they stopped it. What was wrong? No, 12. Started again. Started again.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
3, 2, 1. Come on, go, 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 go. Ma come on, it's beautiful. What a view. What is this? This is a Starship test. This baby here is simply a test, so it's not the final thing, but is the ship that will take us to Mars, potentially.
Plus 30 seconds, all
Is a masterpiece of the technology. No, no, what happened? Oh, don't stop, don't stop. No, 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 why, SpaceX, why? Come on. To me everything is working, only the video is not. What's happening? Come on. No, 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 don't do this to me. Only the SpaceX one is stuck. Come on, too many connections together. No, SpaceX, you failed. You failed. No. Not immediately. They will not launch the second one immediately because they need the approbation. Actually, the second one has no engines. It's empty. So we don't have the engines in the second one. It's there next to the SN9, but without engines. Come on. I don't know if we can watch it on another stream that is not official. So we have the not official streaming. I'm trying my best, but no. It seems it's not working. I'm checking Telegram to another way to watch it. Okay, this one is not official, so of course the quality is lower. Come on, crashed the live stream. Come on.
Keep trying just in case. Look at this.
So thanks to NASA space flight. This one is not official, so better than nothing. Better than nothing.
We are approaching the 3.
In the meanwhile, I'm trying to
All is still normal.
make the SpaceX one working, because of course we have also the internal camera view that here is not present.
Leaving just one of them
Now the objective is reaching an altitude. Okay, seems to work.
And there it is.
highest point. There it is.
One engine. As expected, that's normal.
Yep.
All right.
Look on Mary's camera there. That's absolutely fantastic. Jack out of this one. I can't show it.
I'll move from one to another
You saw that on the screen just a few seconds ago.
with the hope
Starship now
to
climbing
find
on
the
power of
Confirms
engine
that
number
was
1,
a normal and
headed to the
on-time
10-kilometer
nominal
altitude.
silence. No, the Starship, the SpaceX official live stream is going quite bad. Probably too many people watching the launch together. I'm sorry for them. It's crashing again and again. They are having quite many problems.
T plus 4 minutes. Vehicle is at 10 kilometers. It is at apogee. We're continuing to throttle down engine number 1 to hold altitude. Preparing for handover on the
I
propellant
always
tank.
have problem with internet. In this case, it's not my problem. It's just SpaceX. It's incredible they have problems. Okay, now they turned off 2 of the engines. They will leave only one on, needed to flip.
Launch tank.
And come on, oh, come on, it's
Flip
there.
it horizontal.
It's
What you
flipping.
called The plume you were seeing was intentional. There is a
Oh my
liquid
God.
oxygen dump.
Come on, SpaceX, you are
We've now transitioned to
a
horizontal.
bit delusional
beginning
today.
the subsonic
Keep in mind that this thing is 50 meters long.
Check out the aft and the forward flaps.
Seems very small from here, but actually it's 50
As we
meters.
descend back to the landing
50
gear.
meters. And 9 meters in diameter. So it's big. 9 meters diameter, 50 meters in height. Gatarad, don't worry, you are just looking at the best part, I think. The belly flip is one of the best things of this ship. It's just a shame that SpaceX is having many problems in the live stream.
T plus 5.5
Spill,
minutes.
have
Starship
respect.
continuing the subsonic descent.
Is
Using
it
the
died?
flight
No.
control to control its attitude as we come back down to the
Please
landing
land
pad.
properly. Let's hope so. The previous sister, the SN9, exploded. So this time will be interesting to see if they can land properly. Now they will turn on again the engine. First one and then a second. Usually 2 are enough. Come on, come on, come on, it's close. Now it's more or less 1 kilometer hike.
6 minutes, 10 seconds into flight. We're down beneath 1.5 kilometers. We're preparing
Let's see
restart
if we can do
2
it.
engines, flip the vehicle vertical, then transition to 1 engine for the landing burn.
Let's see if we can do. Yes, 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 yes. Finger cross it. Ah, no, 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 no. Too much. Yes. No, no, why? I really hoped this time was the right one. I hope the SN10 was not damaged. It was not so far from the landing pad. No. In the previous landing, there was not enough power because of fuel tank problem. So it landed too fast, but the position was perfect. Now this time it was too powerful, so we had the opposite problem.
To the landing propellant tanks. The subsonic reentry looked very good and stable, like we saw again last December. So we've got a lot of good.
Well, it was a beautiful explosion at least.
Work on that landing a little bit, but we'll find out from the team as they go through the data. We were in contact with telemetry all the way down. So all told, another great, and a reminder, this is a test flight. Second time we've flown Starship in this configuration. We've got a lot of good data, and the primary objective.
Okay, the primary objective, of course, as the voice is saying, was achieved. The primary objective was the flip and, you know, collecting datas. That was the purpose. So on that side, the flight was a success. But I don't know, I'm sorry it exploded. Now they have to clean up everything. I want to rewatch it. Don't close the live stream. I want to give it a second look. So
6 minutes, 10 seconds into flight, we're down beneath.
Silence, please. So here they turn on the engine, but too much power. See, it goes too fast. Too much power and too late. They gave it. The push was too high. It's a shame. It's a shame. But it's still, remember that these are only tested. Are only tests. They are needed to improve, to build better ships, so very good. Very good in any case. I'm just a little bit sorry that it exploded. But finally we have watched a launch together. Incredible. Never happened until now. Too late, you say. I don't know. If you think about the previous test, more or less the time was the same. Last time we had a problem with the fuel tank, and there were, they said there was not enough power, so it landed too fast. That was the problem. This time, if you noticed, from this position, well actually from this position it needed to go straight, but went a little bit overboard, and that was too late. Because the purpose is to shoot down the engine when you are perfectly straight vertical. So you don't do this when you land. So also that was a problem. Why is the idiot that thought about putting the second Starship near the landing zone? Actually, they are not so far away one from each other, so it was a bit dangerous idea. I think the main reason is because where the hangar where the SN10 was inside, now they are already building the next Starship. Actually, I think it's the SN15 should be inside there. So they needed the hangar to build the next one. So not only we have the SN10 already on the pad, they only have to place 3 Raptor engines inside. So for now it's there but without engines. To connect the engines they need 3 days more or less. So after they collect and analyze the data, if they think they can try another launch without changing anything, in 1 week we can have already another launch. Well, actually they have to clean the landing pad, maybe 10 days. in 10 days they can have already another launch. Everything is fast enough. If the problem is if they see that, for example, one of the engine need to be modified, then they need more time. RIP SN9. So unfortunate. Okay, replace the music and everything. We can start again building. Starship 2 is gone, no? No, not gone. Many dollars was burned up in 1 second. The fun thing, or interesting thing, is yes, they burn up some money, but their way to develop is actually money saving, because other companies, what they do, they first build every single part, they test every single part. When everything is ready, then they put everything together and make one final test. You don't crash things, you have no explosions, you save the parts, but it takes much longer, and time is money. So to develop something, if you need 10 years, you spend much more money than crashing things but develop something in 5 years. That's their way to think, and it works. With the Falcon 9 worked, and now is one of the cheapest rocket available. Just do it this way. They are the only company that usually to make things faster crash everything. It's so fun. I'm so sorry that exploded, but it was fun. It was fun. Can't say anything about it. I closed everything here. Sorry, I'm fixing up what I did on the other screen. Okay, perfect. Close here, open here. We can continue with the design. We need to fill down here, so we will not fill up there. Neil Armstrong. Actually, I don't know if it was him, but makes sense. And with the Artemis mission, well, not the Artemis, sorry, with the Apollo and the Gemini and the other missions before, we had many worse problems. So this one is nothing compared to them. I simply hope the SN10 didn't get damaged. It's the only thing worrying me, because they were actually very close. So let's hope it was not damaged by the explosion. I'm checking if we can find a replay, but no. Well, actually later I can spend more time. Okay, let's start building again. Hello, Flip Pole. Welcome back. Yesterday you went away. We need to fail. Okay, I already read this one. I lost some comments because I see many comments. Missile goes, engine start. Okay, spacecraft test. Phoenix. The RC channel. RC You like airplane, I see. Can you build a huge H1? Maybe. It's interesting. I see Japanese. Random. I love how the internet waited for this moment to ruin the live. They had the problems. Was not the internet, was just their problem. Gotta go? Okay, bye gal. See you next time. Saluti dalla Svizzera. Okay, so let's go back here and try to do the magic. For now, what do you think? I think the shape is coming out pretty niche, pretty nice. Now I have to remember also to add these two probes. The two probes, they will go here. Because the probes are actually here. I don't know if we can use these parts. We will see. So calculating now, checking the back from the side. Okay, I think we can remove this one. This one will go here. So we start with this. I don't know. This one maybe it's not needed. I don't know if we actually need also the other. However, we start this way with... Okay. Now we will make them move and get closer. What we have to do is to make just the last part here. We can do it manually. I would like to find maybe a photo. Maybe we can find a photo of the back. Yes. Actually, also this, well, not really needed. I like this one. Not you. Not you. Come on, I clicked open image. Just open this one. Okay. I kinda like this photo. Yes. I confirm. This is the way. So we go like this. Maybe we can connect it better. Maybe we don't need this. I probably don't need this. While for the end, we need a 2. We need a connection. So 2, 4, and maybe let's count from here. Just, you know, this a section should be 4. Not sure. 1 meter. 1 meter should be 4. Yes. 3.6. Yes, it's 4. I calculated properly. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But the 4 one here is not needed. Now what I need is bracket. One bracket this way. Maybe not this way. We need one bracket the opposite way. And let's go lower, lower, maybe lower. Because I want to add this section here. Not really sure. Something this way will be the end of the... where is it? Something like this will be the end. Connect here. I know it's not connected properly, but it's not important. I'm thinking to move everything this way. Let's see. No. Yes. Something this way will work. Here will be a little bit flat. It's okay, not a problem. What we have to do now? I don't know if we will use this one or something also like this. Seems nice. Also like this is not too shabby. No, it's too long. Well, this is something we can check later, because also I don't know if we can use... absolutely not. Maybe like the other one here. I don't know if we can find a better part for this section. This one is available in all the colors we want. I don't know. For now, keep this, just because we can. And let's start fixing. I have an idea. And just because I usually forget my ideas before this happen. Okay. Remove. And do magic. This way. What I can do is also reduce the distance here, and we like it. And I can do another kind of magic, like this. Nope, don't like it. And of course this is absolutely not. You are no bueno. I need something similar that is not you. Let's try with the other possible variant. So this one. Let's see what happened. Better. Why next time? Next, wait a second. I have to start from... You never do the F-14 Tomcat? I did. You can find it here. I show you my F-14 Tomcat. Made in 2015, so 6 years ago. You already have this one, but will arrive the second version in June. In June will arrive the second version. And will be published just for the Top Gun movie release. So new Top Gun movie, old plane. This really need an update. It's not bad, but it's really outdated. I can see many things that I would like to change. Starting from the engines. They are really too small, I don't really like them. So that's it. Ah, Cody also answered you. Interesting, can't find this guy's channel, perhaps an elaborated troll? I don't know, Cody. I don't know, Cody, but you know what? Who cares? Who cares? In any case, from my point of view, is good for me. Having interactions, but not because I like it, because YouTube is stupid and anything that can help me is appreciated. So just let's go this way. Okay, so we have here an idea about the back. Here we have an idea about the front. The only problem is how I close this. Oh, how I can close this gap. That will be the problem, because we need a very specific windscreen, but it's difficult to find something that fits inside here. I don't know what we can. Usually I adopted this kind. Let's see. And in fact this one is, if we place it here, but no, the inclination of this one is more stealthy, newer, not good for us. We need something like this, but with less inclination. This one, but also this one, we have another problem, that is too flat. Because this one on the side would be good. See, on the side would be good. Looking from here. The problem is the front is too flat. I have to find a good windscreen for it. I have to find a good windscreen. This one is good on the side, but not on the front. This one, I would like to use it simply because I know how to make it work, but let's see. If I want to keep this height, just checking. Don't go mad, please. Don't go mad. Not you. Plate. 1, 2, tile. Okay, so this is the height. Delete this one for now. This is the height, the maximum height. 4. Remove 4. So to connect it properly, it should go this way. Also here then we have problems, just because of the shape. It's not good. I would like to use this one, but I don't think will work. Let's think what windscreen we can find that do the trick. Dart, I like pineapple for pizza. Okay, see, we have a problem now. How are you all doing? Sniper, you lost the SpaceX test, so now good but sad, because he didn't finish well, so I'm a bit sorry. Dart, how do you think if Su-25, F-22, F-35 will have a fight, who will win? The one who attack first, probably. The 35, just forget it. The 35, I think, is the only one who has no chance. Is an interesting plane, but in air combat against the 22 and the 57. Forget it. So I think the only thing possible is a fight between the 57 and 22. The one who spot the other first probably will win. What if? It's too roundy. This one has the opposite problem. I keep it as a possibility because actually it doesn't look bad. Simply is weird. It seems another plane this way, I don't know, remind me something that is not it. I don't know why. You don't like pineapple on pizza, so you're weird. No, I'm Italian, it's different. It's different. Let me see. What if we try? Let's try everything we have, just because I have no idea. Come on! The last update. I would like to know when they fix it. Now is an F-35 mixed to something else, so no. Now is more futuristic, so no. This one. No. You provoked a gang war. The last update is bad. I have the plane in a simulator and I can send you photos with the angles you want. Oh, thank you, Spiel. It's interesting. I would like, if you can, send me this section. That I can find many photos of the front, but not so many of the sexy ass. So if you can find me photos from for the Su-25 sexy ass, they will be appreciated. This part here is the one I use most because it's very fitting, but I don't know. In the worst case, this one works. This one works. Don't like it. I think it's not perfect, but it works. But it works. So this one can be our plan B. For the plan A, send you by Discord. Thank you, Spiel. Thank you, Spale. Let's do something like the probes. Before the launch, we were working on the probes, and I forgot. Sorry. Hiccup. How long they are? How long they are? The probe is long. 1 meter and a half. No, don't move the design. Okay. 1 meter and a half. A little more than 1 meter and a half. Let's say 1 meter and 8. So they are 6.6. You know, we have actually a part that is really 6.6. Is perfectly. Where is it? .6. No, it's incredible. Precise at millimeter. 6.6. I think we have to use this one. Necessarily. Because they are really precise. So, the probe start. The probe start here. I have to find a way to connect the probe. I have to not use this. Okay, now will be a little bit tricky. How we can add our probe here without destroying everything? Well, actually, we can still change it, but if we don't use this, what we can use? Try, David, a brick-built canopy. I really don't like them, but yes, is an idea, so thank you. But I really don't like them. They are not really transparent, because of course you have many bricks. I don't know. If possible, I usually... Until now, I always found a way to avoid them. But the idea is good, the brick-built canopy. What's the distance between them? Just to be sure. I think it's 2. Just to be sure, but I think it's 2. Because if it's 2, as I think, 0.4 is 1.4. Yes, so the distance is more or less 2. I have to connect here on the sides. Now, how we can connect them? I am thinking using modified plates with clips. Or tiles with clips. Plates with clips. Plate modified with clips. Don't know which one. For me are all the same. Or maybe... Well, for now let's use this one. And just checking if the distance is right. Because if it's right, we can find a way to fix it. Is it right, the distance? It seems so. It seems right to me. Maybe a little bit larger would be better, but we do what we can. So, if we have to place it here, the problem is how? Problem is how. Well, for the front we can use the slope, this kind of slope here, one here and one here. You know, we have the same angle more or less, and we can close this gap somehow. not the best and most elegant solution, but it's an idea. Or we get rid of this part, we find a different solution, and if we get rid of this, what we can use? I'm thinking this one. No, it's too flat. No. This one. No, it's too flat as well. This one is good for a reason. This one is good for a reason. Because if I move it, what if I move it somehow higher this way? I can place this one outside, same for the other one, and is still good. And here, what about the front? Of course, we don't have a problem with this section, and it's okay. Well, no, we have a problem because how we can connect? Well, we can find another way to connect it. But how we can use something like this. Something like this. But here now we have a problem, of course. So I have to not use this one anymore. Or I have to place it even high. No. I have to place too high. No. If I connect it on top of this, I don't think will work. And it's also too fat. Let's try to think without this one. So let's think for a second we don't have it. So this is our front. If we use something like this, no. Oh no, this is bad. Hello Fabi, rip SN9, yes. You will be remembered. Well, the SN8 they saved the scrap metal for a museum. So yes, Elon blows up many rockets, but SN8 scrap parts will go in a museum, but was the first test, so who knows? I think the 9 will not be so remarkable compared to the others, unfortunately. Ananas, pineapple, what's happening? What's happening? What are you creating? What if we change completely? For now, I'm working with this idea, but what if we do the nose this way, and then we make, well no, I think the pro is the same. Why not? If we do it this way... Not this way, wait a second. But I don't know. I think this one is the right design, but let's try. Stay calm and let's try. If we change this one, not you, but you, yes, you are the one. If we change the front with something like this, we can connect the probe this way. It's a possibility. Even if I really don't like it so much. From above is not too bad, but don't know. If we connect them this way, of course we can't use this one here, but if we replace it with a slope curved, is it you? With this one, you can't, maybe higher. 1, 2, 1, 2, no. Something like this. But the side of course can't work this way. It has to go, for now is here. Let's go 1 and 2. Not you, sorry, the other one. 1 and 2. Collision. It's not working neither. We have to do something completely different if we want to use it this way. This plane sucks. Okay. Or pay with your blood. Wait. I see is happening something fun. Good question, Sniper. It's been a while from the last Red Eye comment. Last time he said something about very busy with life. I send the back of the plane. Thank you. Will be helpful for the next time when we try to make the back. Now I'm trying to concentrate mostly on the front, but I don't know, it's difficult. What if we change completely the front and we do this system? We use this system. I need a brick modified. What time is it? Okay, it's 10 PM here, so more or less 50 minutes. Yes, I can stay 50 minutes still. Brick modified. What if we do something this way? You go here, you go. This is the system I found for the I think it was the Eurofighter, but not really sure. What if we use this one here? It looks nice. I don't think it's too shabby. So let's see how it looks like here. Now, before connecting, come on, should go here. Plate and plate. Okay, show all. Let's see if we can connect it here. And now the program will go mad because we have a problem. Well, one problem I can see already is here, because of course how we can add this little section. And unfortunately I cannot change only this one. Let's check. I want to give it a try, just because we can. So I need a Technic brick. This one. Linker. Like you. Connect everything together. And go here. Perfect, but lower. 1, 2, 1, 2. This way. So remove this one. And you know, it's not too shabby. It's not too shabby. The length is the same, more or less, so we don't have problem with it. The biggest problem is here, because of course we have this little difference, but I don't know if we can fix it like even with a simple tile this way. I don't know if give no with something like this. I don't know. This way may work. I think it may work. No, it's not perfect here, but you know, may work. Flip is cornered by Kodiak. Bad spy. You are bad at this. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm too bad. Feel free to kick me, but I'll bring you back. Actually, I never kicked out anyone. And I don't think it will be the case. Let's see. For now, this way seem. I can even remove this for the gun. So on this side I can even remove this, add the slope classic, you know, the 1/4. Yes. And here we have, you know, the space for the gun. Even. But still, I don't know, something is off. I want to keep it as idea, so don't destroy everything. But I don't know. Let's go back here, connect. Let's go this way. Yes, I think the problem was the bottom part, because this inclination is just perfect. What we may try to do, maybe, is using this, and let's try with wedge plates. Go lower, plate 1 by something, slope. This one can go higher. Too fat. 100%, what? What 100%? How can you be bad at designing something that's a model of an existing aircraft? Yes, you're right. $21. What is 21? Even if he gives me a ban, I still have a lot of account. No, I don't ban you. Why I have? There is no reason in banning you. We are having fun here. Well, me at least. So, okay, let's try also here for the back. Spill sent me something on Discord? No. Hello Hans, welcome to the live stream. Gons Gruber. Hello Hans. Let's think, if I add this one here. Not sure. Maybe not. If I add, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? You. What if I add this one? One, two. Okay. No. Without the cockpit I can't go on. I need to decide what to do here. It's the time. It's the time. The time is... We can use this one. Okay, removing this and move forward. And we have this kind of F-35 look. I don't know why it reminds me the F-35 this way. No, I don't know why it reminds me. The F-35 is too much. If I want to try again using this part here. Boom. Too many projects simultaneously open. Connect somewhere here is okay. Go back here a second. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. Now this one is not needed. This one is not needed. Will be needed only this one with a tile. Let's do. Here we can fix it a little. We need this one to stay a different distance. I already know how to fix it, but I want to use this one simply because here I can make the cockpit open properly using this. What is wrong with flip? Too long. It's just a bot. I don't like the F117 that much, to be honest. Why? It's beautiful, the F117. I think it's one of my favorite. Old, of course, yes, it's old, but it looks so cool. The Comanche looks cool. Did you check the Z10 from China? It's similar looking. You may like it. You may like it. Why I have to ban him? Actually, with his attitude is actually helping me. I don't know if he's doing it on purpose, but yes, agree with Cody. What's everyone's favorite US plane? Mine is F-15 of any sort. So you like mine? My version of the F-15. Favorite US plane? Actually, US plane is very wide. There are fighters, there are bombers, cargos. It's difficult to choose only one. But I agree with Pakosh, the F-14, very beautiful. Russian, the Sukhoi. The Su-25 family, so 35, 34, 33, Su-25 family, yeah, is the best. The Su-25 family is adorable. Hello Peter, welcome back. When you build the Bichu spirit, I let you go. I will never do it. Well, never, no, but I will probably don't do it. Even if I'm trying to keep in touch, to get in contact with the guy you suggested me yesterday, Big Planes. to make some sort of collaboration. Maybe he can do it. Well, we can do it together. Something like this. It may be interesting. No, Peter, I don't ban anyone. Unless it's really necessary, I prefer to not ban anyone. Okay, here. I'm thinking to do. I need a tile with clip. Tile and clip. This one. 1 and 2. Then for now remove these things here. Then I need two brick plate. Now I just need to create some sort of connection plate. I need just a base to work with. Ah, right, tomorrow I'll probably not be live because I have some things to do. So for now, let's say that the usual programmation or similar of the channel is Monday, Thursday, Wednesday for sure. No, Thursday, Friday, what I'm saying. Well, do the opposite. The day I will not be online are the weekend and Wednesday in the middle of the week. But we can usually have almost sure 4 live stream a week. Or this is the plan. Don't know if I can respect it, but this is the plan. Now you go here. Bracket, you go here. You go here, but you move 1, 2 this way. Plate. Okay, this is perfectly connected this way. But is it too high? It seems too high. Give me a tile. Give me a tile, please. Well, you are a tile. Just a bit, but if I can make it a bit lower is better. How can I make it a bit lower without destroying everything? Because if I do this... okay, no, it's not actually too much. Actually it works. So if I connect it one to the lower, it seems to work. You know what's the problem is this angle. Looking from far, it's more clear. It's just this angle that should be it's too long. Should be shorter, higher, and we should have this one longer to make it perfect. But you know, if we can't have everything, so I think this way is not too shabby. But you know, I have an idea to make it. We can change the angle. To make it more slopey, we can simply do this, and so on. So if we do this, maybe if we push it lower. Wait a second, I have an idea. Let's go. Well, this is not needed anymore. If you go lower, 1 and 2, and we move it this direction for now. 1, 2, 1, 2. And we do this. Better look. Okay, okay. I think we can try to twitch it somehow. This one is needed to connect it, unless we connect it from here. If we connect it from the sides, we can remove this one and we can achieve this shape. Okay, I think this is the way. Just a little more work on it, but I think this is the way. I give you all my money. I just read the last sentence. To who? To me? No. Dart, are you afraid of me? I can't stop lagging. Okay. F15E or Su-25? Which one I like most? The question is, which one you like most or which one is better? A different question. But for me both is Su-25. The answer to both is Su-25. Is better and I like it most. Or you should try remaster the F14E, the Evil Cut. No, well actually maybe after we remaster the F14 base, yes, we can make also the Evil Cut again. So why not? I have actually also different ideas now. F111 is beautiful with moving wings, yes. Is it the one with moving wings? Yes, should be the one with moving wings. You're right, Sniper, I actually already built the B2. Now that you let me think about it, I forgot. Oh my god, I even forgot what I did. I don't know if I have the rendering here. Oh, okay, yes, I actually did it. It's still here. Yes, okay, you can find it on the channel. Actually, you are right. You are right. My favorite US planes are, take a deep breath, F-22 Raptor, F-15 Eagle, Strike Eagle better, the F-111 and F-19 Rapier. This one I don't know. F-109. F-109 Rapier. No, Rapier, not Reaper. Okay, it's not a real thing. Oh, love this one. It's just like, I don't know, it's so futuristic. I like this one, even if I don't understand why having also the engines here. Are these not enough? But okay, I like this one. Well, the 111 should be the 111 should be the one with swept wings. Yes, swept wings. To me, is the single tail variant of the F14. I remember it just this way. Single tail variant of the F14. You nailed on the cockpit. Thank you, Peter. Yes, finally. Finally, I have just to find a way to connect it, because in this moment, not working. In this moment will never work. But with some work on it, I'm almost sure I can make it work. The only way is how. I'm thinking maybe I can connect it here using the sides. Because I don't want to connect anything here. I need all the space possible. Well, actually, what I can do is also... Okay, this way is also possible. So I can connect it this way. The only thing I have to fix is just a little the inclination, but in real life, you know, you don't have this kind of problems. But yes, you can connect it this way. About the distance, well, here I have to find a better way to connect it to the ground. Let's see. Too much pink. Change color. What color we want to use? Green? I don't have any green in the process. Here. Okay, now I can see it better. Let's see how we can connect it. Here we have one here and one here. So as you may notice, we cannot connect it. If we connect it from the... No, wait. If we use a modified plate like this, if we use this kind of plate, can we no, still not center it, but because I don't like, of course, this mess here, but compared to this mess, I think it's easier doing something like plate modified with this. Let's see if we can achieve something this way. Too much space here, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see, what if we connect it opposite direction? It's the same, of course. Yes, it's the same. If we use... Let's go back. If we use this, okay. If we use this, still same problem. I don't want to use so many brackets and similar. If I add the brackets closer, no. Closer here, almost. Let's see, if we move this one a bit, no. If, just like the IFF, if I do this, do you see this perfect angle? This perfect angle actually means that we can use modified bricks. Not this way. We have a problem with the height. So this one is perfect, but or higher or lower. If we place it lower, is it too low? Is it too low? If we place it higher, let's try the opposite. So you go this way, a bit too high, but not so much. And actually here we have this little thing on the side, I don't know. Maybe we can hide this thing somehow. Bye. So, too many bye. Are you all going away? Can anyone have spaghetti with vodka with me? Ah, okay, the F-108. I would love to ride inside the Su-34 and just microwave my ramen. What? Why? Dart gotta go. Bye, Sniper. Thank you very much. Have a nice day as well. Dart, give me, please, ban. No. Ban is mine. I don't want to give you. F111 reminds me of the Tornado. No. No. No, they are really different. Even if they have both a single wing and moving wings and a single tail. Panavia, Tornado. No. Panavia. Panavia. I would try to find an image with both together, but the Tornado with the side air intakes similar to the F-15. Come on, the look is completely different. I think it's immediately recognizable. While this one has the engine like the F-18 Hornet, the previous one. No, come on. To me they are really different. And I like the Tornado much more. The Tornado is beautiful. It's aggressive. It's really aggressive. I'm pretty proud of the final result here. I know, a little digression, but I'm pretty proud of the final result here. Now, the connection is the only problem, because here we need the space for the pilot. Well, the pilot will sit here. So this one should not be a problem. Here we can connect the computer. That will be a slope with instruments and all, but the computer will be something like this. We have even space for the HUD. That actually the HUD is a little bit too low. It's high up display. This one is a LUD. No, the HUD can't stay here. I have to move it somewhere else. But, you know, just for fun now. I think this system works. It works. If the system works, you say, why you deleted the part if it works? Because I want to change it to the actual one that is a brick modified this way. Oh guys, who of you know big planes? Who was the one telling me about big planes? In the meanwhile, Spale send me the photos I wanted. Discord got stuck. I can't write on Discord. What happened? The program stuck. Okay, I answer. I don't know, Spale, if you are still listening to me, but the program has a problem, so I'll continue later. However, who knows big planes as a person? He answered me. I tried to contact him yesterday. He answered me and he said it would be interesting to make some sort of collaboration. He has not a ton of time, but he said if I have any kind of idea to tell him. And I don't know, what do you think about it? Because I actually checked his channel and his works are awesome. I'm somehow envy about what he can do. especially with big things that I don't. So, I don't know. It will be... What do you think about if I can propose him a collaboration? Like he can do a B2 like Philip wants, a B2 Spirit that is big and he does this kind of things, and I give him my F22 or F35 as escort, so he can display all of them together. Or for example, also this one can be an idea. I can ask him if he does something like the C130, I can make it armed. I make the AC130. Or we can do the AC130, I send him the file and he can improve it with real parts, improve it with moving system, the insides and so on. I don't know. Big Planes is a channel, I found it yesterday. Dart Chats is banned by like a minute or two. Really so much? Oh my god. It's a lot. Yes, to me it's more or less 50 seconds. But yes, it's a lot. It's a shame because there is a lot of delay. However, I was saying, Big Planes is a channel, I found it yesterday. And just like the name says, he do big planes. And then I don't remember who yesterday told me, why don't you check him or similar. I did. I like his work. Very good in what he does. And nothing. I thought it would be interesting to make some sort of collaboration. Not collaboration just like the real world, but something similar. I don't have any idea. So if you have ideas, say, maybe we can find something to do together. You have promised you have built the 7 province, and after this or else you will be forced to build the A400M. I will, wait a second. The A400 is the Hercules variant. Europe is much, for me, wait a second, I want to show you. Here I have the desktop that change every 5 seconds, but I want to show you one of my favorite wallpaper is actually the A400 400. I don't remember if 100 400. Where are you? Come on, it's fucking beautiful. It's beautiful. I really love this plane, but it's one of the, especially the propeller, the blades. It has 5 propeller. Well, actually, also the newest variant of the C130 has 5 propeller. But okay, it's beautiful. I love it. So I really would like to do it, but as I said many times, my limit is 30 meters. So let's check. If the A400 is longer than 30 meters, I will not. Wingspan is 42. Usually the wingspan is more than the length, so cross your finger. We have still a chance that is possible. And we are close. Wing area. Wingspan is 42. Length 45. No, sorry. Too much. It's out of my league. I can do it, but not in minifigure scale. In that case, yes. So if bigger than 30 meters, I can do it in micro scale, 1:90 scale, and so on. Because it's out of my league. But, exactly, what if we try to do something? If I make, for example, the base, send the base to him, and he finish it. So it's a collaboration like this. Another thing I would like to do, but the problem is the time zone. With Bricklink, we can build together. You see this function? You just you have to use a password and to connect, but we can actually build the same thing in two. It's beautiful, but unfortunately we have to be live at the same moment, and I think it can be difficult because of the time zone. So another idea could be build big things like the Airbus. Maybe we can design the engine, we can design some section, and he can finish it. I can propose something similar. That I meant the Su-25, not the Tornado. Okay, in that case, yes, they are similar. Su-25 and F111, they look almost the same. Peter, about the Zeven Provincial, I want to... So, let's take apart the A400 thing. The Zeven Provincial is one of my favorite ships. So, I will absolutely make it in the same size, same scale of the Harleyburg class. Don't know when, but will arrive. If I have to choose a frigate, absolutely the Zeven Provincial. I really love it. It's one of my favorite ships, so absolutely. Okay, the A400M, he already built it. Ah, okay. If he already built it, you can check that one. As I said, my maximum is 30 meters because something too big for me is a problem. One, because digitally is more difficult to build. Him having real parts, of course, he has an advantage in building huge things. Favorite frigate as well. For people who don't know it, I love the radar section. The AESA radar that has that kind of aspect. I don't know, that section I love it. Don't look how I write it because I can't. Here, this radar section on the front. I don't know. I love it, and okay, also the back radar in black. And I don't know. I think it's one of my. I really love this ship. So, if people vote for it in one of the next live stream, I really would like to build it. I really want to. The dimension, of course, is smaller than the destroyer, but how much smaller? Length is 100. Well, actually, it's just almost the same size of the Harleyburg. The Harleyburg is 6 meters longer. Not so different. In fact, I still don't know why this one is classified as frigate. Also, checking the display. Well, yes, for the displacement is only 6,000 tons. Only. But this one is really almost a destroyer. Almost a destroyer. I also would like to do something smaller like corvettes. Corvettes are much shorter, and I don't know, I think they would look nice with the destroyer. USS Independence. The Independence is not the aircraft carrier. No, the Independence and the Freedom are corvettes. So the Independence is the one with the long nose, should be the long nose ship. Yes, is the one, the literal combat ship. This one, for example, also is a very good idea. Also, this one is pretty weird. I would like to try it. The long nose ship. When will it end? This one will finish, I think, in maximum 10 minutes. Just few things, few chat, and I'll go. The VSB class also beautiful, but the VSB class will be probably very difficult, just because of the weird shape, the stealth design. The VSB class, maybe, not sure, but maybe will be more difficult than the Zeven Province. Even if it's the half of the size. Is 300 meter? No, 300 meter. 300 meter is longer. Is an aircraft carrier. Is 30 meter. I don't remember. The VSB is very small. No, 30. No, maybe a little more. 70. Okay, the double. But just because of this weird shape, probably is more difficult to build compared to the Zen Province. That is more classic. You can build the VSB class in a slightly larger scale? No. I want to follow the same scale for... The purpose is just to use the same scale. So I would like to build the ships, submarines, same scale. 100 and 150 scale. I would like to just follow the same scale for my project, to have all. If you make, for example, you want to do a diorama, you need the things to have the same size. So minifigure, this one, we can call it micro scale, mini scale, 1 to 90 for aircraft bigger than 30 meters. So I can make them in 1 to 90. And for ships and very huge things, 1 to 130 will be the last one. And of course we have spaceships like Star Wars in 1 to 4000. 1 to 4000. Halo is 1 to 3000, if I remember well. No, yes, Halo I think we are doing, but you know, see. Okay, see, if I add this one here, okay, just for a moment, make this out. I think the shape, no, maybe it's better if we do it on the other side. I have to find just a way to integrate the antennas, the probes here, but tile, not you, move. Okay, see, this will be more or less the final look. I think the nose looks good this way. The problem is how we can connect the antennas at this point. Because I can connect them here, but they are too close, and I don't like it. What I can do, maybe, is using brackets this way. Something more like this. More like this. But the problem is again, I have to find a I have just to find a way to make it more connected. This section I think will stay this way. I like the shape from the side, it works. I have only to find a way to make the back part. Actually, I have already an idea. The cockpit opens sideways on the right. So for the cockpit, I think we can use for the cockpit, I think this section needs to move along the cockpit. For example, I'm just thinking, so don't go mad. Stay calm, keep calm. Plate modified. I'll do probably something like this. I'll connect this side somehow to the ground this way, so will be connected somehow this way. I have to connect the top section above, maybe with brackets or similar, still work in progress, but let's say it's connected this way. Let's say the cockpit is connected this way here on the top, and you open it this way, like the real one. Let's check the real cockpit just to be sure. Yesterday we found a very good photo, if I remember. No. No. Yes. See? It opens completely. Well, it's a bit too high this way, but more or less this is how it works. So I have to design the cockpit and make it in a way that you can open it. We can do it. So this section will be the part that you can open. This one will stay fixed this way, so will not move. I'm simply thinking about the minifigure. We need the minifigure. Let's take it from one of the other projects. Come with me. Nope. Here there are so many things open because I'm working on other things as well. You need to be in a different color because I want to find you easy if I need to. You will be in pearl light gold. Are you the only one in this color? Perfect. Perfect. Because I want to select it in an easier way. The only thing I want to check is where the guy will sit. So 1, 2, 1, 2. No. I have to find how much space we need for him. I lost the count, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this is the height for the pilot, because we need space for the head and everything. Can you sit closer? You can sit closer. So you will sit here. Okay, the pilot will sit in this exact position. Now, just don't think about this one is not important. So remove it, it's not important. What I'm thinking... what I'm thinking... Side openings are a little bit more complicated because you have to... You have to change one of the side really so much. The other side will be easy because you can connect this way, will not move, and that's okay. The moving part is actually this. Now I go. We will think about it next time. Let's say this. Let's take a screenshot this way so we can share it on Instagram and see if people can recognize the work. And that's all. For now, that's all really. I'm tired, it's late, it's 11 p.m. to me, 11:13. Sorry. Remember for the camo we didn't do it because it was really too complicated. It had two of them. Really too much complicated. Here, just because it's on one side only, it may be possible. I was thinking about something already present. So there are parts already present in panels. Something like this, see? We have some sort of panels that maybe can do the work. For example, if I connect something this way, find compatible bricks. If I connect something this, well, not this. Okay, it's complicated, but let's say I find a way to connect something like this that you can open this way. The main problem is first I have to recreate this shape to the other side manually. So probably I have to connect it this way. I have to add the slopes and the things to, you know, achieve this shape to the other side. And if we have this in transparent, because the problem is also the color. For example, this one exists in trans color. See? Oh, okay, we have this one in trans clear, really? It seems, yes, it's not trans black, but it's trans clear. But he gave me the let's check also on yes. Okay, maybe we solved. The only problem is that okay, no, we have another problem now. Touching here and there. Okay, it's not so easy, but okay, with a little more work we can place it a little bit here. We will have a little bit of gap. Well, also the gap we can work on it with the gap. The main problem will be see, we can work on the gap somehow. The main problem will be the different color, because this one is in trans clear. We don't have trans black. This one we have in trans clear. No, only in trans black. So you know, it may be an idea, but not so easy. This one exists only trans red. No. Also because the camo had the cockpit larger, because it was a 2 seats cockpit, so even more difficult. 1 seat cockpit is possible, So with some work on it, we can, I think we can find the way. I think we can find a way. Here, for example, we can already see something. However, now I'll go. Now I'll go. I don't know if we can find a way to connect this one, or we have to design completely different system, but for now, let's say we have an idea. Let's close. Silence. Silence. Peace on my mind, and I'm ready to go. So, thank you everyone for being with me. Building. It was a good day. We had enough progress. We have seen a spaceship exploding. So, I think it was a good day at the end. And for today, that's all. Good night, everybody. Completely agree. I don't know what time is it there, but good night, good day, good everything. And tomorrow, as I said, I'm not sure I'll be online. Probably not, but you know, just keep checking the channel. Usually, I schedule the live 2 hours, 3 hours before, so you have a lot of time to know if I'm online or not. And that's all. See you again, maybe tomorrow, but I said probably not, but almost sure on Thursday. Bye.